Hi everyone, I'm Ruby.
And I'm Jack.
Welcome to our channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another delicious episode of the Talk English channel. I'm your host, Ruby.
And I'm Jack. Hello, Ruby. And a warm, caffeinated welcome to all our listeners.
Jack, I can smell this episode already. Today we are talking about one of the most popular daily habits in the world.
That's right. We are going to the coffee shop. Whether you're in London, New York, or Sydney, you need to know how to order your morning fuel without panicking.
We are going to cover everything: the menu, the sizes, the polite phrases, customizing your drink, ordering food, and even how to ask a stranger to watch your laptop while you go to the bathroom.
But before we take that first sip, I have a small favor to ask. If you want to speak English confidently this year, you need to join our community. Take a second right now, look down, hit that red subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell.
It helps us brew more content for you.
Exactly. So grab your mug and let's walk into the cafe.
Imagine walking through the door. The first thing you notice is the atmosphere. It's cozy, maybe there's jazz music playing.
You smell the roasted beans, you hear the grinder crushing the coffee, and most importantly, you see the line of people.
We call this the queue in the UK or the line in the US.
You have to wait your turn.
While you're waiting, you should look up at the menu board. It can be overwhelming because there are so many options.
Let's break down the main drinks quickly because the ingredients change the name completely.
It all starts with the espresso. This is a small, strong shot of coffee.
If you add hot water to espresso, it becomes an Americano.
If you add steamed milk and a little foam, it is a latte.
And if you want lots of thick foam on top, that is a cappuccino.
And don't forget the chocolate lovers. Espresso plus steamed milk plus chocolate syrup equals mocha.
Listeners, memorize those differences. Americano, water; latte, milk; mocha, chocolate.
Now, we need to talk about sizes. In a normal world, we have small, medium, and large, but big chains like Starbucks use Italian names.
You'll often see tall, small, 12 ounces; grande, medium, 16 ounces; venti, large, 20 ounces.
It is perfectly okay to say medium. The barista will understand you. But if you want to fit in, try using grande.
Also, be careful with the word tall. In normal English, tall means big height. In coffee language, tall is actually the small size. Confusing, right?
Very confusing. Just remember, tall is small, grande is medium.
Before we order, we have to make two more decisions. First, temperature.
Especially in the summer, you might want an iced coffee.
You can make almost anything iced. Iced Americano, iced latte, cold brew.
Cold brew is different from iced coffee. It is steeped in cold water for a long time. It is very strong and very smooth.
Second decision, the roast.
Usually they serve a dark roast. This is bold and bitter.
But recently, blonde roast is popular. It is lighter and has a milder taste, but actually has more caffeine.
So if you don't like the bitter taste, ask for a blonde latte.
Okay, students, let's get to the grammar. Never say, I want.
Use can I have, or I'll have, or I'd like.
Let's do a role play. But Jack, let's make it complicated. I'm a difficult customer, you're the barista. Hi there, what can I get started for you?
Hi, can I have a venti iced latte, please?
Sure. What kind of milk do you want?
Oat milk, please.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes, can I make that half calf?
Half calf, sure. Any sweeteners?
2 pumps of vanilla, please, and light ice.
Okay. Venti iced, oat milk, half calf, vanilla, light ice. For here or to go?
To go, please. Can I get a name? Ruby.
Wow, Ruby, you are high maintenance. Let's explain those terms to the audience.
First, half calf.
This means half caffeine, half decaf. Decaf is coffee with no caffeine, or very little. If it's 5 p.m., you might want decaf so you can sleep later.
Second, light ice.
If you order an iced drink, sometimes they fill the whole cup with ice and you only get a little coffee. Asking for light ice means you get more drink.
Third, milk options.
10 years ago, it was just milk. Now you have whole milk, regular, skim milk, non-fat or skinny, oat milk, the creamy plant option, almond milk, nutty flavor, soy milk, sweet flavor.
If you don't specify, you get whole milk. You have to ask for the others.
Okay, we have the coffee, but look at that glass case next to the register, the pastry case.
It is full of delicious things: muffins, scones, croissants, bagels.
When you order food, the barista will often ask a specific question. Would you like that warmed up?
This means, do you want me to put it in the oven for 10 seconds? Always say yes. A warm croissant is much better.
Roleplay time. And I'll have a blueberry muffin, please. Sure, warmed up?
Yes, please. Oh, and do you have any butter?
I can throw some butter in the bag for you.
Note that phrasal verb, throw in. It means to add something extra to the bag quickly.
Now, paying. Most cafes are cashless now.
You tap your card or use Apple Pay.
Then, the awkward moment, the tablet flips around, the tip.
In the US, Canada, tipping $1 or 15 to 20% is standard for a complicated order. If you just get a black coffee, maybe you don't tip. But for Ruby's complicated half-calf oat vanilla latte, please tip.
And then the name. They ask for your name to write on the cup.
Be prepared to spell it, R-U-B-Y. Even if your name is simple like Paul, they might write Pool. It's a coffee shop tradition to spell names wrong.
You get your drink at the pickup counter. But wait, it's extremely hot. You can't hold the cup.
You need a sleeve. This is the cardboard ring that goes around the cup to protect your hand.
Sometimes you have to ask, can I have a sleeve, please?
And if you're walking and don't want to spill, you might need a stopper. That is the little green stick that goes in the hole of the lid.
You have your drink, you find a table, you open your laptop, now you're a digital nomad.
But after 1 hour, you drank all your coffee. Now you need to use the bathroom, but your laptop is on the table. What do? You have to ask the stranger next to you for a favor.
This is a very common, very native interaction. You say, "Excuse me, could you watch my stuff for a minute?"
Or, "Could you keep an eye on my laptop? I'll be right back."
And the stranger will usually say, "Sure, no problem." Now you can go to the bathroom without packing up everything.
Finally, what if the order is wrong? They gave you an iced coffee, but you wanted hot.
Don't be angry, be polite. Go back to the counter and say, "Excuse me, I think this order is wrong. I asked for hot, not iced."
Or, "Sorry, I asked for oat milk, but this tastes like regular milk."
The barista will almost always say, "Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me remake that for you."
Never drink something you are allergic to just to be polite. Ask them to remake it.
We covered a lot today. Let's recap the key sections.
We talked about drink types, latte versus Americano, sizes, tall, grande, venti, complex orders, half-calf, light ice, oat milk, food, warmed up, cafe safety, watch my stuff.
You are now ready to walk into any Starbucks or local cafe and order like a pro.
Listeners, your homework is to go to a cafe this week and order something different. Try a grande oat latte and tell us how it tastes.
And hey, before you click away, do me a huge favor. If you learned just one new phrase today, please smash that like button. It tells YouTube that this lesson was helpful and it helps other students find us.
And tell us in the comments, what is your go-to coffee order? Are you a black coffee person or do you like the sweet stuff?
We love reading your comments. Thanks for studying with us on Talk English.
Stay caffeinated and keep practicing. Bye!
Bye, everyone.